Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is time for another handbag review, and this time I've got another Saint Laurent bag for you. Can you tell how much I have been loving Saint Laurent bags this year? I mean, it's hard not to. They're so chic and they're so usable. So in this video, I'm gonna give you kind of a full look at the bag, the front, the back, the inside. I'm gonna share what it looks like on, I'll share what it fits as well, and I'll share where you can find it. So if that sounds good, let's jump in. So as mentioned, this is the Saint Laurent Kate handbag. It's in a beige color. This is the size small, and it has this really cute tassel on it. Now, in terms of like the details, it's this croc effect leather as well. So on the front of the bag, you see there's the tassel, which actually has a little button closure, which you can see still the beautiful croc pattern. And then on the sides of the bag, you just have still the croc detail. The back is just, there's no pockets or anything. It's just a normal kind of back. And then the bottom is also, it's flat, but there's no little studs or anything on it. The bag is one of, I've seen Saint Laurent doing this quite a bit lately. It's one of those where you can wear it on your shoulder like this. But then if you see here, we've got a little Saint Laurent logo on this stopper. So then what you can do is put the stopper down. And honestly, I think I need to play, I think, because I've been traveling with it, I think the bag has gotten a little out of sorts. Oh yeah, interesting. Okay, so if you want to fix it, you go like this. So some other cool details on this bag. It's really hard to see on camera, but there is also Saint Laurent Paris here. And then you do have a little Saint Laurent as well on this, and on the button closure as well. Now, just found some gum in there. In terms of what is inside the bag, it's just a very simple, it's a small bag. It's like a black, almost like canvasy interior. There is a little inside pouch here, which you could put like your cards. And then there is a little Saint Laurent logo in there as well. Now let's go into what the bag can fit. So I've assembled some things on my desk next to me. Now you could take your cards and your ID out, but I usually, when I'm using a small bag, I also use my YSL little card wallet, which is really great. So I'm gonna pop that in here. I'm going to pop my mobile phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I have the big one. And then I'm also gonna pop in my wireless earbuds. And then I'm also gonna pop in the lipstick that I'm wearing today, which is the Clinique Plum Pop. Fun. And then why not? We can throw the gum in for good measure. Always love to have that. So as you can see here, you have, it all fits super nicely, and then you could easily fit your house keys in on top. So that's the kind of like, we always talk a lot about on this channel how I am a girl who like loves to have all my stuff in my handbags, but I also sometimes have back problems. So there are times where it just doesn't make sense to have like the whole kitchen sink. And I would say probably for me more so for evening, I don't feel like I need the whole kitchen sink. Like what I've put in here would be really great for evening. I might not even need the wireless earbuds if I'm taxiing to and from where I'm going. But yeah, so it's quite an effective bag. The only thing it wouldn't really fit would be like an umbrella. Which is a little bit of a gamble in London. But otherwise, as far as evening bags go, I really like it. So let me show it to you as it looks on me. So I usually film this in front of my mirror, but it's really dark and gray in London today. So I'm gonna try and film it in the living room, but I'll also do a little shot from my mirror so you can see both. So yeah, so you can see here, I'm just dressed super casually today. But in terms of like a crossbody, I am 5'7.5", and it sits really nice on my hip here. Really, really kind of chic and comfortable. You definitely can wear it for day. I've worn it both for day and night. I was in Boston this summer and I was wearing little summer sundresses or like jeans and cute blouses for dinner with her, and she goes so well with kind of more whites and neutrals, or like colors like black, or like really any color because it's beige. So it's such a versatile bag. Now let me show you as well. When we pop out the strap like so, dun, dun, dun. We're gonna pop her on the shoulder so we can see here. So this is what she looks like on the shoulder. Really, really cute. Because she's a small bag, she's not like too bulky under your shoulder. You could kind of wear her like this, little tassel waving around. And also just like this, super easy breezy. But let's go do another close-up just from my mirror quickly. Right, so again, as mentioned, I'm just super casual today. I'm filming this at home on a super gloomy day in London. So this is what the bag looks like on the shoulder. Really, really cute little tassel, shakes around as you walk. But yeah, I'm wearing her with a super casual outfit, and yeah, it's probably a little over the top to, you know, to throw a bag like this on with just like jeans and a jumper and a white t-shirt, but you can, and she still looks really lovely. So let's try her on a crossbody now. All right, so this is what the bag looks like on crossbody. And as mentioned before, I'm 5'7.5". There's no other adjustable ways to do this strap. Like the length is the length. It hits me like a little bit low, like below the waistband of my jeans. I'm wearing like a medium rise jean. 7 for All Mankind, if you're wondering. And yeah, it hits like kind of just on like the upper thigh, hip area. And it's just super easy breezy, comfy. You know, one thing to mention is when you are walking around with the bag on, the tassel does like move around. So I don't know if this is TMI, but like I'd be walking around Boston this summer and I'd just be like playing with the little tassel. I actually really love it. I think it's a cute design detail, but it's also just like, just playing around with it as I walk. But yeah, it does kind of like whack, 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 whack like that as you walk. So if that bothers you, this might not be like the dream bag for you. All right, so let's go back to my desk and we're gonna talk about where to find this bag, where I'm borrowing it from, and if I would consider purchasing it. Okay, so final thoughts on the bag. What did I think of it? So I've had this bag for about a month, and if you're wondering, okay, why? So I actually borrow a lot of my, actually pretty much all of my designer bags from Cocoon Club in London. This video is in no way sponsored by Cocoon. I am a paying customer. I would like to invest in more bags in the future, but because I travel so much, it's probably unlikely that I'm gonna buy a designer bag every year. So because I get to go to all these fun and fabulous events in London and beyond, this has been really great for my lifestyle, just to borrow them, but also get to try them out and then make a wish list. The only downside of that is sometimes the bags aren't available by the time I'm ready to buy one. And I think that's a little bit the case with this one, but not completely. So I've done an initial Google search, and there still are variations of this bag available in the UK. It's hard to find this beige colorway, but then again, it's I think the 2nd of September today when I'm filming this. I think because we just finished the summer, a lot of the beige bags are probably sold out, but I was able to find some black bags like this, some of the bags without the tassel, and I'm gonna do a little bit more of a deeper dive search in the US for my US girlies. So I will link all of the places I can find this bag, and I'll call out like the variations as well in the video description box. I'll also leave a link to Cocoon if you're in London. Again, it's not even an affiliate link. I get no commissions or anything. I just, sharing is caring, ladies. And yeah, so let me know what you thought. Like, do you own this bag? Is this bag on your wish list? Would love to hear if you found it useful, because my opinion is, I feel like in my, like if I were to shape my dream handbag collection, like a bag this size in beige and black would be a really good investment. I'm kind of boring with handbags. If you can tell by all the reviews on my channel, I like beige or black bags. And I feel like maybe once I get the core ones in like the various different sizes of bag I want, then maybe I'll think about like pops of color. But I find that when I buy them, or sorry, when I borrow them and when I buy them, I'm just gravitating more toward neutrals unless I have a specific event where a different color is coming in handy. Like for example, I'm going to a really fabulous wedding soon, and I'm looking at like some navies and some blues for the dresses, so stay tuned on that. And on that note, if you liked this video, please hit the like button. I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. You'll get to see what other bags I borrow, but also some snippets from my life in London, my travels around the world, great hotels I'm staying at, and more. Please join me on this wonderful YouTube journey, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, the bag, any recommendations on other bags I should check out. Sharing is always caring here on this channel. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.